Kamusta po? You're watching the news listener. Ako po si Angelo at pag-usapan natin tong nakakahiyang moment ni Paulo Marcoleta. Dito, na-ispatan niya itong si Kiko Aquino D, yung pamangkin ni former President Benigno Aquino III. Okay? Kasi yung pinag-uusapan nila dito sa Justice Committee ay yung impeachment complaint laban kay Sara Duterte. Itong si Paulo Marcoleta, merong pahabol. Okay? At pinagtawanan pa siya ng napakaraming tao. Hindi lang dito sa hindi lang dito sa House of Representatives or sa Justice Committee. Ang daming reaction na talagang magtatay itong dalawa, si si Paulo Marcoleta at si Rodante Marcoleta. So guys, panoorin natin 'to and then later on papakita ko po yung ibang moments ni Paulo tsaka ni Rodante Marcoleta nung Congress man pa si Senator Marcoleta. Talagang gumagawa talaga sila ng gulo. Para magulo yung proceedings o investigasyon. Kung ano man ang nangyayaring kaguluhan o pagtitipon doon sa House of Representatives. Sige, play natin to
The Honorable Marcoleta.
Point of order. This is not directed to the members of the committee.
Madam Chair, our good friend is not a member of the committee.
Yeah, but I can
Perhaps
Here's a
you
point
can
of
just
order.
manifest
Or just a
instead of raising a
manifestation.
point of order.
manifestation.
All
Not
right,
direct.
Unang-una pala, hindi pala pwedeng mag point of order kasi hindi siya membro ng ng Justice Committee. Di ba? Dito pa lang siya wala na. Ang parang may gusto niya, parang gusto niya lang may masabi. Di ba? Sige, continue.
you may proceed, Honorable
This
Marcoleta.
is not directed to the members of the Justice Committee, but I observed the presence of Mr. Kiko D from the audience.
Tapos,
Though he was allowed to be an audience in the proceedings, despite his withdrawal of the second impeachment complaint, I suggest that he observe proper decorum. Because if you remember,
May we know the action of the Honorable D or Mr. D, which is not consistent with decorum?
I'm just speaking from experience when
Which means he hasn't committed any yet.
not yet, but as a forewarn, as a premonition or a warning,
sige. Tingnan niyo yung reaction ng katabi niya.
he
Ang dami may pa-smile pa dito yung isa although may mask siya, kitang-kita mo talaga yung tawa ng tao dito. Ano ba nakakahiya talaga ang ginawa ni Paulo. Sige.
during the
Meron pa siyang sinabi na premonition Kumbaga, mangungula ba to si Paulo Marcoleta? Kumbaga, forewarning. Premonition. Baka mangyari ito dito sa hearing na ito.
archiving of the
Nagtatawanan
impeachment at the Senate, Mr.
Madam Chair,
Mr. T.
Madam Chair, wala pa naman palang ginagawa. Let us not...
Okay na nga.
Point of order. Let us wait until he finishes, and then
Can
I
you
will
just
be
allow me to
recognizing him.
finish? During the archiving of the impeachment, Mr. D booed and made a gesture of thumbs down at the VIP gallery of the Senate.
All right.
Tapos.
All right,
Gusto
Honorable
ko lang naman
Marcoleta, but it is
just for them
apparent
to observe
that
proper decorum.
the Honorable D hasn't committed anything yet, which is not consistent to decorum. Would you like to say something, Honorable De Lima?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, kung iisipin nyo guys, si Aquino D, Kiko Aquino D, isa siya sa mga petitioners na nag-file ng impeachment complaint laban kay Sara Duterte. So dito sa hearing na ito, mukhang wala naman siyang ginagawa. Tapos itong si Marcoleta, Paulo Marcoleta, umuula na siya. Naging na siya, manghuhula na baka mangyari ito dito sa ating hearing na ito. Okay? Kumbaga, binibigyan ni Marcoleta itong House of Representatives, ang Justice Committee, ng warning para sa pagsabihan. Wala pa naman nangyayari. Hindi mo dapat kailangan gawin na yun. Diba? Kaya nga, ang sabi niya, ni Congressman Jinky, wala pa naman siyang ginagawang any that violates decorum in that proceeding. Diba? Kaya, ito. Ang susunod magmo-motion si Senator or former Senator Leila de Lima. Okay? So pakinggan natin.
Madam Chair, it is completely improper
Yan.
for our colleague here to raise that matter. And he has not cited any act of misconduct or misbehavior on the part of Mr. Kiko D. And alluding
Kumbaga, nangyari na yung last year Tapos ibabalik mo dito. Ano ba? Diba?
Would you
to
like
that,
to make a
alluding-
motion to that effect?
Yes, my motion is to strike out the manifestation.
Second, Chair. There is a motion to strike out from the record the manifestation of the Honorable Marcoleta. The same has been seconded. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is granted. The manifestation of the Honorable Marcoleta is hereby ordered stricken out of the record.
Aray, striken out. Wala na yung kanyang pinagsasabi na kahihiyan. Ito, tatawa na lang yung mga tao dito.
If there are no other
Kitang-kita mo si Kiko D doon sa background. Yan siya. Tapos yung mga kasama niya, smile, smile. Tawa lang tawa. Nakakaya talaga.
the matters which the members wishes to discuss, the chair is ready to hear your most favorite motion.
Move to adjourn, Madam Chair.
There's a motion to adjourn. The same has been seconded. No objection. Our meeting is suspended until tomorrow, 10 o'clock in the morning.
Okay. Sige.
Madam Chair.
May tumawa pa. Yan. Uwi na. Marcoleta. Nako, nakakaya. Sige. Sa ibang sa ibang view naman sa grupo. Sige, yan. Tapos, si Representative Percy. Ayan. Tapos, nakipagkita sila kay kay Kiko. Di ba? Ito. Sige. Panoorin natin itong isa pa sa mga kahihiyan na ginawa ni Paulo Marcoleta. Share ko tong another video. Yan. Play natin.
I think the remarks earlier made by
Is
Honorable
that a motion for reconsideration?
It's
By the way, guys, ipapakita ko lang yung sinabi ni Marcoleta na nag-thumbs down itong si Kiko D. Ang nangyari to noong August 7, 2025. Okay? Yan siya. Yan. Okay? So para at least alam nyo na nangyari talaga to. Balik tayo. Balik tayo kay Paulo Marcoleta.
It's more of a manifestation.
Okay, please manifest.
Opo. The earlier remarks made by Honorable Suntay is an appeal for objectivity, impartiality, insofar as the proceedings of the Justice Committee is concerned. Ang binanggit po niya, if we will no offense to the most of the members of the Justice Committee. There are 25 House members named in the affidavit of the 18 ex-Marines. 25 names, which comprise around 1/3 of the membership of the Justice Committee here, all present.
The Honorable Marcoleta is likewise reminded to confine the manifestation to the relevancy of the current impeachment proceeding.
Okay, so ang ginawa ni Paolo dito, yung manifestation ng isang congressman dito alleging that some congressmen receive yung maletang pinagsasabi ng 18 Marines, ex-Marines, na yung iba ay hindi pala ex-Marines. Yung iba, dishonored. Ang sabi niya, meron bang credibilidad yung mga miyembro dito, alleged sila na merong tinanggap, na may nag-deliver daw. Ang problema, doon sa maleta na yon o sa ginawa ng mga isang attorney tsaka yung kung sino kasama ng 18 na yon, wala naman silang ipinakitang nagpapatunay na direktang kumuha o nakakuha itong mga congressmen. Okay? Kaya, ang ginagawa nila para mangintriga lang. O tapos, itong si Paolo Marcoleta, nag-bring up siya, they're talking about impeachment complaint. Pero ilalabas niya, sasabihin niya na yung mga miyembro dito ay tainted. O sana, doon sa proper hearing, niya ilabas yun. O diba? Or nag-file siya ng motion na imbestigahan ito. O diba? So, another kahihiyan ang ginawa na naman ni Paolo Marcoleta. Talagang kitang-kita niyo yung kanyang demeanor o panggugulo sa mga hearings na kagaya nito. So continue natin.
I think it's very germane, ma'am, because it boils down to the objectivity and impartiality of the members.
Parang hindi nila alam.
Honorable Marcoleta, we have not reached even the determination of sufficiency in form, and the chair has stated already that the Justice Committee is assured of the impartiality of the chair, including all the members. I think that is premature for us to discuss on the partiality when we haven't heard any of these impeachment complaints. So unless the manifestation has relevance to the current impeachment proceeding, the Honorable Marcoleta is requesting.
Yun na yun. O, di ba? Kumbaga kung relevant siya, kung may connection siya, doon sa sinasabi nilang maleta dito sa impeachment complaint, pwede lang i-discuss. Pero hindi siya, irrelevant. Kumbaga hindi siya naaayon doon sa pinag-uusapan.
To cease from making manifestation outside the subject matter of this impeachment proceeding.
Madam Chair,
ano pa? May irit pa?
with due respect to the 25 members who were mentioned in the affidavit,
Honorable Marcoleta, you're
Inuulit niya lang.
reminded by the chair already to confine to the subject matter of this impeachment proceeding. If you continue to make a manifestation outside the subject matter, we will be ruling you out of order, with all due respect.
Yan. Out of order. Pwede kang paalisin.
Honorable Marcoleta.
I submit to the wisdom of the chair.
Thank you. We shall now proceed to the determination of sufficiency in form.
Okay. Kala ko ba mas matindi itong si Paolo? Yung sinasabi ng na mas gagalingan pa o mas magaling pa yung anak kaysa sa tatay. Mukhang mas low, medyo sa baba lang ni Rodante Marcoleta itong anak niya na si Paolo Marcoleta. So guys, punta tayo sa kabila. Ito yung mga eksena na nangyari before sa DepEd hearing. This was last year. Okay? At dito, kitang-kita nyo din kung kung gaano matinding tong panggugulo ni Marcoleta, Rodante Marcoleta.
Mr. Chair, I'd like to raise the scores, Mr. Chair.
Kami nagsasalita pa.
That in the case of this is a point of information, Mr. Chair. It's something that has to do with the rights, Congressman Marcoleta.
Oh, yeah.
In the court,
Wala. Ano na eh. Wala pa siya sa order na sino yung mauna. Dapat ina-acknowledge ng chairperson. Di ba? Ito, salita ng salita. Walang tigil. Pinatayan na siya ng mic. Sige.
Congressman Marcoleta, let us, the chair recognizes Congressman.
So, may I ask, Mr.
Please
Chair?
proceed, Congressman.
Mr. Chair, may I ask the action of the committee first on my motion, Mr. Chair, before we intervene?
We will rule on the motion first. Is there any second to the motion?
Mr. Chair, may I be?
Duly seconded. Is there any objection?
Mr. Chair, I must recognize earlier before any action may be taken by the court, by the chair. Why is it that I am not allowed to speak?
Yeah.
Marcoleta, there is a pending motion. We just acted.
Yes, but before that motion can be taken up, because this is about the liberty of an individual. May I be heard?
Yes, you will be heard, Congressman Marcoleta, but we just acted on the motion. Now, Congresswoman Castro, please, could you please answer the query of Congressman Marcoleta?
I have not yet asked the question, Mr. Chair.
Okay,
I am trying to explain my point.
Please continue, Congressman Marcoleta.
Because in the totality of evidence, as is stated by Honorable Castro, there is an
Anyway, yun na yun, guys. So, yan kagulo ang mag-ama. Imagine niyo, doon pa lang sa plenary hearing sa House of Representatives, ginawa din yun ng ni Paulo Marcoleta. Ganun dito, itong si Rodante Marcoleta in terms of helping the Vice President. Yan ang mag-ama. Talagang, sila, magkadugo kahit sa panggugulo dito sa proceedings sa Kongreso. Okay? So ano sa tingin nyo, guys? Kung meron po kayong komento, suggestion sa ating video, paki-comment po sa ating comment section. And if nagustuhan nyo po ito, paki-hit po ng like and subscribe button. Salamat po sa panonood and I'll see you sa susunod na video.